Understanding project management is step 1, and step 2, finding the answer to a simple question: which tool is right for you? If you're tracking tasks in Trello or Asana, keeping notes in Notion, and communicating with clients in email, you're paying monthly for tools that don't even interconnect with each other. It might surprise you, but you're not the only one. Many project managers, solopreneurs, remote workers, and agency owners struggle to find a system that's both powerful and cost-effective, especially when working within WordPress. That's exactly why we built FluentBoards, a user-driven solution that offers the simplest way to manage projects. It's built for WordPress users who want SaaS-level features without the SaaS price tag. To help you unlock FluentBoards' full potential, we've packed every features into a structured and easy-to-follow course that will walk you through every step of the way. This entire FluentBoards course is broken down into some digestible and informative sections that will empower you with all the knowledge you need to ensure your projects run smoothly. So, what will you learn in this course? We'll start by giving you a detailed overview of FluentBoards, where you will see what FluentBoards actually is, what is the ultimate solution for project management, and of course, how it can help you take a step into the future of WordPress project management. After gaining an understanding of its capabilities, we will jump straight into the installation. The module is all about setting the environment that makes your project management easier. We will also show how you can manage boards according to your project's requirements, create unlimited tasks to get every aspect of your project sorted, and manage them like a pro. In case you're planning to migrate from Trello, Asana, or any other platform, the easy export and import options will also be covered in the module. Once you're powered up with the basics, we'll dig into FluentBoards Pro features that are all about powering up your project management. Here, you will see how you can boost efficiency with time tracking, tackle repetitive tasks with recurring tasks, collaborate better using the comment section, and receive automated notifications that will keep you on track about each change. Besides extra perks of having the free extension, Fluent Roadmap will also be covered to make sure you get the best out of FluentBoards, not just when you're managing a project with a team, but also collaborating with users to shape a perfect product. After having an in-depth idea about everything you need to manage your project with FluentBoards, finally, we'll look at how it works seamlessly with other tools in the Fluent ecosystem. You'll see how to create tasks automatically from Fluent CRM, connect forms via Fluent Forms, and even turn Fluent support tickets into project tasks. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand FluentBoards, you'll be using it with confidence to plan, manage, and scale your work directly from WordPress. Let's dive in and explore the ease FluentBoards offers while managing projects in WordPress.